14 days to a new you. Imagine transforming your body and mind in just 2 weeks. It might sound too good to be true, but with dedication and the right plan, it's entirely possible. Are you ready to transform your body? You can do it. This journey is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining confidence, energy, and a new perspective on life. Picture yourself waking up each day feeling more vibrant and alive. Just 14 days of quick workouts. These workouts are designed to fit into your busy schedule, requiring only a small portion of your day. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these exercises are tailored to challenge you and help you grow stronger. Lose weight and feel amazing. Let's get started. Over the next 2 weeks, you'll engage in a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups, ensuring a full-body transformation. From cardio to strength training, each workout is crafted to maximize your results. But it's not just about the workouts. Nutrition plays a crucial role in your transformation. Fueling your body with the right foods will enhance your performance and recovery. Think of vibrant salads, lean proteins, and whole grains that will keep you energized throughout the day. Staying hydrated is equally important. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, keeps your skin glowing, and aids in muscle recovery. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Don't forget about your mental well-being. Incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga can significantly reduce stress and improve your overall mood. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Track your progress. Keeping a journal or using a fitness app can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Celebrate your small victories along the way, whether it's lifting a heavier weight or running a longer distance. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your journey with friends or join online groups where you can exchange tips, motivate each other, and celebrate successes together. Having a support system can make a huge difference in staying committed. Remember to rest and recover. Your body needs time to heal and grow stronger. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Incorporate rest days into your plan and don't push yourself too hard. Set clear goals and visualize your success. Whether it's fitting into a favorite pair of jeans, running a 5K, or simply feeling more confident, having a clear vision of what you want to achieve will keep you focused and driven. At the end of these 14 days, you'll not only see a difference in your body, but also in your mindset. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in what you've achieved. This is just the beginning of a healthier, happier you. Continue to build on the habits you've formed. Fitness is a lifelong journey, and these 14 days are just the start. Keep challenging yourself, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Your new, healthier lifestyle awaits. Remember, the journey to a new you starts with a single step. Take that step today and commit to these 14 days. You have the power to transform your life. Let's get started. No gym? No problem. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to hit the gym can be a challenge. But don't worry, you don't need a gym to stay fit and healthy. With a little creativity and determination, you can achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your home. No time for the gym? No worries. Whether you're a busy professional juggling work and personal life, or a parent trying to squeeze in a workout while taking care of the kids, there are plenty of ways to stay active without ever stepping foot in a gym. Home workouts are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to fit your schedule and fitness level. These workouts are for you. Do them anywhere, anytime. You don't need a lot of space or fancy equipment to get a good workout. Whether you're in a small apartment, a park, or even your office, you can find exercises that work for you. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks are highly effective and can be done virtually anywhere. All you need is 10 minutes. You can do this. Even if you only have a few minutes to spare, you can still get a great workout. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is perfect for those short on time. Just 10 minutes of intense exercise can boost your metabolism and improve your cardiovascular health. So, set your timer and get moving. Remember, consistency is key. Make exercise a part of your daily routine and you'll see results in no time. Let's fire up those abs. We'll focus on your core. Get ready to feel stronger. You're on your way to a flatter tummy. You're doing great. Keep pushing. Remember to breathe. You're building a stronger you, one day at a time. Section 5, day 4 to 6, leg day every day. Time to work those legs. Strong legs, strong body. You'll feel the difference. Get ready to squat and lunge. Section 6, day 4 to 6, strong legs, strong body. You're crushing it. Keep that energy up. Remember to breathe. Strong legs will carry you far. You're unstoppable. Section 7, day 7 to 9, full body fat blast. Let's kick it up a notch. Full body workout time. Burn calories and build muscle. You're getting stronger every day. Section 8, Day 7 to 9, push yourself further, you're on fire, keep pushing your limits, remember to breathe, you're capable of anything, 1 rep at a time. Section 9. Day 10 to 14, core strength for life, back to the core. Welcome to the next phase of your fitness journey, where we focus on building a strong and resilient core. This is not just about aesthetics. A strong core is essential for overall health and functionality. It supports your spine, improves your posture, and enhances your balance and stability. Over the next few days, we will be engaging in exercises that target the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and pelvis. These exercises are designed to challenge you and help you build a solid foundation of strength that will benefit you in all aspects of life. Let's build that strength. A strong core means a strong you. Today, we will start with Russian twists, an excellent exercise for targeting the obliques and improving rotational strength. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and hold your hands together in front of you. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, moving your hands from side to side. Remember to engage your core throughout the movement and breathe steadily. Next, we will move on to planks, a fundamental exercise for core stability. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and hold this position for as long as you can. Focus on keeping your core tight and your hips level. Planks are great for building endurance and strength in the entire core region. Get ready to twist and hold. As you perform these exercises, pay attention to your form and technique. Proper form is crucial to prevent injury and maximize the effectiveness of the workout. If you feel any discomfort or pain, stop immediately and reassess your form. It's better to do fewer repetitions with correct form than to push through with poor technique. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly. Over time, you will notice improvements in your core strength, stability, and overall fitness. Remember, a strong core is the foundation of a strong body. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, stronger you. Section 10, day 10 to 14, finish strong. You're almost there, keep pushing to the finish line. Remember to breathe, you're stronger than you think, 1 day at a time. Section 11, you did it, congratulations. You completed the 14-day challenge, you are amazing. Keep going, make exercise a habit, you've got this.